Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Magz. You already know what it is, baby. If you're watching this, then it means you all successfully made it to 2022 in the building. So I welcome everybody in the channel, man. Listen, I couldn't be happier to be out here and give this video to y'all. But yeah, I know it took a little while, and I wasn't even uploading that much because it was a festives. You understand what I'm saying? And then now, fast forward, we're in January now, and I got the flu, man. Like, it's really kicking my ass, you feel me? So today was the only day where I feel like when I woke up, I could show that I can make a video today. So hence we are here, you feel me? The date is what? We're on the 11th of January. I want to show you the NAS100 analysis, and then I want to catch up with you guys about what's going on, right? So without further ado, subscribe, like, comment, leave a thing, and leave a notification if you don't mind, you know what I'm saying, and then click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops. And even if I don't look, if I look like crap today, you guys gotta excuse me because you know what I'm saying, I'm really not feeling well. I'm just I'm just here to deliver content and value. That's all I'm here for, you feel me? So in today's video, we're gonna go watch NAS100, and then we're gonna catch up. I'm gonna catch up with you and show you the state of how it's looking for NAS100. You already know what it is, man, so let's get it. Alright, feel me? So we are back and we are rocking. We are back and we're rocking, you feel me? We're back and we're rocking in the building. Wasn't really doing admission thing. It wasn't admitting anyone into the signals and what and all that kind of stuff. Speaking of signals, everybody that was in the thing, everybody that was part of the December signals knows December was one of our worst months, talking about last year, you feel me? So in case you're in the membership VIP signals for November, don't be surprised because every time we open trades, we said use low risk and what. It was because the market, the type of trades that we're getting from the market, there wasn't high probability trades, you feel me? So that's why we had to limit the risk and whatever. So now everything is about to go back to how it was before. And I'm not just saying this because I'm just saying this. I'm saying this because I'm seeing something from the market, which is the whole purpose of this video, you feel me? So NAS100 in the building. Let's just check it out because I want to show y'all what's been going on. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit so you can see the market structure. So the first things first is a market structure. So this was when I don't want to say this was when the world started tripping. At this point, it was around February 2020. That's when this pandemic thing started, right? And you can see the price dropped, and then after the price got to here, that's when the price started to recover, right? So the high before this drop was here at 9,750, and then now the price is currently sitting just around 16,500. So you can see that the recovery has been too much, right? So from this point that you're seeing there, this market has been in an uptrend, you understand? And even before then, this market was a very bullish market. Sometimes it will move sideways and such, but overall this is an uptrend, and the market is a bullish market, right? So now we gotta use our trend lines. Speaking of, right, we got our trend lines in the building. I'm just gonna remove these horizontal lines because for the purpose of this video, we really don't need to focus on other things. We just need to know the structure that we're having here, right? So I have my trend line here. It starts on the 30th of July, somewhere around there. This is 30 June actually, until the present date. So the market goes to make a high, low, high, low, high, low, right? That's the alternative. That's like how the market alternates from high to low and high to low and stuff like that, right? So speaking of, I'm having so many ideas. I'm excited. But check this out. This is what I'm thinking in my mind right now, right? I'm thinking I should do a course, right, here on my YouTube for free. Just like a 30 minutes introduction course, like a beginner's course, so to speak. So I don't know if you guys are keen on me doing that, but if you want to be a part of that, I'm gonna drop it somewhere soon, right? probably this week or next week or something like that. But I'm serious about this thing. All you need to do is you need to go to the public Telegram for Supreme Traders, which is free. I'm gonna leave the link. I'm gonna pin the link to that public Telegram channel. Just go click there, and then so that when I drop the video, you get the notification on the Telegram. And also some PDF files I wanna drop will only be on my public Telegram. So y'all go ahead and subscribe to that. You feel me? So this is the uptrend. We have our trend line at the bottom, we have our trend line at the top, right? You can see the price alternates from the higher trend line to the bottom trend line, top trend line, bottom trend line, as such. So besides that, the market moves from a low to a high, back to a low to a high, to a low to a high, to a low to a high, and such. You understand? So me basically, every time this market, let me just move this so y'all can understand what's going on here. Can I move this thing? You see now this thing of using this website based charts. It's difficult to do some of the simplest things, but yeah, you can see every time these boxes, I put them there as indicators to show me that now it's time to buy or now it's time to sell, as such. You understand? So you see, every time the market comes to this lower trend line, it definitely bounces and goes back up. And sometimes it might not make contact to the top trend line, just like you're seeing here, but the distance that is going to cover is going to be enough for you to make some money. We don't care where this market goes and reaches. Just because we're here, we don't care if this market goes and touches there or something, because already we have a psychological barrier here, which is this high. You understand? This was a previous double top. You understand? So we also have this level. So we don't care even if the market doesn't come to touch the trend line. But overall, now it's time to buy this market, because you can see what's been happening. But the thing is, December was such a crazy month, because you see how this thing was moving. We were already at the high. So you know it's way harder to trade when the market is at the high, versus when you know the market took a dip and you know it's gonna start rallying up again, right? And just a little ad break in the building. Our course, man, our course. I told you guys the course is out. The Supreme Traders course is out. It's $100 in the building to everyone. And this year, ladies and gents, I'm not doing classes and stuff like that. And I don't even think I have time for one-on-one lessons. I really don't think I do. But for now, the only thing that we have that's gonna teach you, we have signals. To find out more details about signals, we're enrolling people again. To find out more details about signals, just go to our Telegram. It's pinned in the comment, fam. You feel me? If you want to learn how to trade in my ways and strategies and stuff, this is where you're gonna find it. I'm gonna put the link also in the pinned comment, fam. That's, you feel me, bruv? Like, I don't know what you want at this point, because everything is here. You feel me? So with the course now, this is what you're going to get with the course. You're going to get trading tutorials. You're going to get access to VIP signals, right? And you're going to get access to this website, which is where all the lessons are going to be for 3 months. For 3 months, you'll have access to this, access to the mentorship. And the mentorship has VIP signals. So you're going to get 3 months VIP signals, and then you're going to get mentorship and the course, the strategies and everything. You feel me? So this website, you have access to it for 24 hours, like every day. You can log in anytime. You can watch lessons and repeat, versus me standing in front of you and I might say something you won't even understand. Here you can, you know what I'm saying, you can rewind and stuff like that. You can watch as many times as you want. So the strategies that we have is NAS100, US 30. We have advanced lessons also. Risk management is there. You feel me? We also have synthetic. We just recently added synthetic indices in December. Ladies and gentlemen, recommended brokers, but you don't really, like, if you got a broker now, I don't mind. It's all about the money this side. It's not about which broker you're using and stuff like that. Because a lot of y'all pay more attention to the broker than actual strategies and stuff. Can you believe I have people pressing me about the video I did about Trade 245? But are you making money? Nah. Either way, let's remove Trade 245 out of the equation. Are you making money in the markets? You see? So when people pay attention to that kind of stuff, it really just shows me like why you're so pressed. You're probably so pressed because you're not making money in the market. It's not really about what I said or whatever, because I wasn't trying to offend anyone in my video. I was just trying to address an issue and talk to you guys about it, but you guys decided to start insulting me in that video, some of your guys. But I don't care. If you're making money, regardless of which broker, you can just switch brokers. Almost, there's no need to fuss about these things. But if you're not making money, then I guess it's more important. It's more important for you to focus on brokers than strategies. Alright, so I talked about that. I'm done with that. Let's go back to the charts. You feel me? So I want to add modifications to these charts for y'all, and we're looking at this on the daily time frame. And I'm gonna send all the analysis. I'm gonna send this analysis, like screenshots and everything, to the public Telegram. You'll find it that site. You feel me? So what I'm seeing here, if I can just move myself a little bit, you feel me? If I can just move myself here, we have this psychological level, right? So usually, guys, you'll hear me talking about psychological levels in some of my videos. And if you don't know what that means, basically I'm saying there are areas where now, right, these areas are called psychological levels because psychologically everyone is going to look out for that area to take out their profit or close their trades. And the reason they see that is because usually you find it was a previous high, just like it was a previous high here. And then the market, when it came there, you find everybody closed their trades, which is why the market will start dropping at exactly that level. So it's psychological because it's not something you can physically see. If I decide to delete this, you can't see it, but everybody can see it. So it's, it's more psychological than all these things. You feel me? So yeah, we said our level, it's here, right? Our level is here. And then also one thing I want to show y'all, you see, just like I highlighted there, and we also had this area there where we touched, but we failed to close below this trend line, right? So let me just remove this, and if I can zoom in properly, you will see that the low of this candlestick here that I want to show you. You see this candlestick, it closed below the trend line, but the lowest it could go was there where I drew the line. You see where I drew this line, but even then, the body of the candlestick where it closed was here. You see what I'm saying? The damn, come on, TradingView, don't do me like this, baby. You see, so the candlestick, the lowest way it went was this area, which is below this trend line, but the close of the candlestick was above. So this counts as a rejection. A rejection means the chart went to touch that level and then it still closed above that level without breaking through the level. You understand? So if you can see what also happened here in our yesterday's candlestick low was somewhere here. You see, meaning it broke through and it was really pushing below. It was really pushing. But the close of that candlestick was way up here. You see, it was way up here. And today's candlestick just went below and rejected. And then now we're trading above the close of yesterday's candlestick. So this is just showing us that the market right now is pushing higher and higher. You understand? The market is just pushing higher and higher. And if you're part of the thing, the Supreme Traders members, like you went to for the course, full course and everything, and don't worry, these lessons are going to be coming this month as well. Everything is going to be coming throughout the course of this month, and you still have access to it because the members have access to the course for 3 months. So everything that I'm going to be adding, all the knowledge, all these lessons are going to be added, and you won't have to pay any extra cent. You understand what I'm saying? So what does it mean now for what's happening? I mean, I'm in my zone right now. Let's go. So what this means, the price is for the most part, the price is going to start pushing up. So what if you're part of my traders, what you're going to realize is most of these days I'm going to be sending buy signals because the price is really going to start pushing up. You understand? Unless we decide to go and double test to retest. Actually, if we go to retest this zone here, we will trade as such. But from here, just look forward to trading buys. The market is going to be rallying up, and the first levels, before you even decide to take your profit there or something, if you're going to hold long term, don't leave it until there. First watch how the price reacts at this zone here. You understand? How the way it reacts here, that's what's going to show us if we should keep holding or if we should close our trades and such. But we might retest and then the price can still drop, but we'll have to see what happens when the market gets to this zone here. You feel me? So it's Magz in the building. You already know what it is, fam. I'm gonna be making more videos. I want to also analyze US30. I'm gonna be bringing those. And also, before I even forget, are you guys loving the Forex Chillers content? You feel me? Like I genuinely want to know if you guys are enjoying the Forex Chillers, because I want to have more guests, like more bigger traders. I want to bring them out in the platform. I know they'll be keen to share their stories on this platform. So you guys just let me know what you think. If that's what you want, I'll bring it up for sure. I got your film. So thank you guys for the support and everything. It means everything, the support that you guys gave to this channel. I got love for y'all for days for me, feel me? So thanks for everything. I'm gonna keep the videos coming. It's all love, you feel me? See you next time, baby.